Hello, Sari stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a collection of fabulous Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are hand woven, the colors are very different and very unique. They are perfect for festive and special occasions. So let's get started with these beautiful Kanjivarams. We begin with a very lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. This is a threadwork Kanjivaram in a very festive shade. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very unusual short reddish color. There are threadwork buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have meenakari motifs in a combination of green and blue. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs in a similar color combination as the borders. The blouse fabric of the sari is a gorgeous short purple. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some beaded jewelry. A very unique and contemporary Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Nozari Kanjivaram. This Kanjivaram silk sari has stripes in pastel pink, blue and purple all over the length of the sari. The borders of the sari are in a gorgeous royal blue with temples along the borders. These borders are Korvai borders. The royal blue pallu of the sari has Tazhambu Rekal. The sari has a blue blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some delicate pearl jewelry. A threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in an auspicious shade of yellow. This one is perfect for haldi. This yellow Kanjivaram silk sari has narrow stripes which are pin stripes all over the body of the sari. The threadwork borders of the sari are in a combination of rich colors like orange, pink and blue. The sari has an elaborate pallu with threadwork motifs in a similar color scheme as the borders. The blouse fabric of the sari has buttas all over it and it's in a lovely short orange pink color. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some silver jewelry. A Kanjivaram silk saree in a rich royal shade. This one is a gorgeous plum. This plum colored Kanjivaram silk saree has circular zari buttas all over the body. There are two zari stripes along the border and a pink selvage which elevates the beauty of this saree. The gorgeous pallu of the saree has yali and diamond-shaped motifs in zari. The saree has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a contrast pink blouse. You can accessorize this saree with some temple jewelry. A Vanasingaram Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in fabulous festive colors. A stunning Vanasingaram Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of this saree is in a gorgeous, beautiful shade of pink and the Vanasingaram motifs are in orangish rust. The saree doesn't have borders. There is a short green selvage and a stripe of zari along the selvages. The gorgeous Mantulir color pallu of the saree has beautiful floral buttas and pakshi buttas all in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is in the same Mantulir color as the pallu. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A Korvai Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a rare combination of mustard yellow and blue. A majestic mustard colored Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of the saree has all over grids. The Korvai borders of the saree are in a beautiful deep blue and there are two stripes of zari along the borders. The stunning blue pallu of the saree has seepu in zari. The saree has a blue blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some kemp jewelry. A jewel-toned Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is a lovely turquoise. A lovely turquoise blue Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of this saree has small zari buttas. The saree doesn't have borders. There is a stripe of zari along the short sea green selvages. The short sea green pallu of the saree has seepu in zari. A very pretty pink Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is a threadwork Kanjivaram. This is an absolutely pretty threadwork Kanjivaram silk saree. The body of the sari is in pink and there are threadwork buttas all over the body. The borders have threadwork in a beautiful shade of blue. The lovely pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs in a similar color combination as the borders. The sari has a stunning short purple blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with simple gold jewelry or beaded jewelry. This is an Ettukol Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of royal blue. An absolutely gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a stunning shade of royal blue. The sari has Ettukol temple borders in gold zari and this enhances the gorgeousness of this sari. The gorgeous pallu of the sari is also woven using Ettukol. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or you can pair it with a contrast gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize this sari with gold jewelry or pearl jewelry. A very classic and elegant Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very unusual combination. A Kanjivaram silk sari which spells elegance and class. This one is an off-white Kanjivaram with kattams or checks all over the body. The sari doesn't have borders. There is a short purple selvage and a stripe of zari along the selvages. The pretty purple pallu of the sari has Sipareke in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in purple. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some traditional gold or silver jewelry. A beautiful jewel-toned threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a gorgeous teal. A jewel-toned Kanjivaram silk sari in deep teal. The body of the sari has pink threadwork buttas. The borders of the sari have threadwork motifs in a combination of turquoise and pink. The sari has Ettukol Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of pink. The body of the sari has threadwork motifs in a combination of turquoise and pink. The borders of the sari have threadwork motifs in a combination of turquoise and pink. The sari has Ettukol Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of pink. The borders of the sari have threadwork motifs in a combination of turquoise and pink. The gorgeous pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs in a similar color combination as the borders. The sari has a turquoise blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some silver or beaded jewelry. A subtle threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very beautiful olive and blue combination. A very subtle and elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this sari is in a beautiful shade of olive green and there are self stripes running along the length of the sari. The sari has threadwork borders in a beautiful soothing shade of sea blue and these are Meenakari threadwork motifs. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs in a similar color as the borders. The sari has a greyish blouse fabric with all over patterns. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some beaded jewelry or silver jewelry. A very elegant Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a graceful grey. A Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari which spells elegance. The body of this sari is in a very graceful shade of grey. The Korvai borders are in maroon and there are temples along the borders. The maroon pallu of the sari has Tazhambu Rekku and this is a no-zari Kanjivaram. The sari has a maroon blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with some silver jewelry. A grand Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very subtle and unique combination. A very stunning and exclusive Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is in a very subtle pastel shade of pink. There are small zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The Korvai borders of the sari are in a combination of deep blue and a festive pink and there are Pakshi motifs and Banaras motifs in zari on the borders. The pallu of the sari is spectacular with a row of motifs of yali in zari. There are also motifs of Pakshis and elephants in zari. The sari has a blue blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some traditional gold or diamond jewelry. A lovely deep blue Kanjivaram silk sari. The motifs on this are very different. is a very beautiful Kanchivaram silk saree in blue. The body of the saree has zari stripes running along the width of the saree. There are lovely motifs of tamara or lotus in zari along the borders. The gorgeous pallu of the saree has zari stripes. The saree has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some temple jewelry. Kanchivaram silk sarees are vibrant and stunning and perfect to enhance your festivities. To shop for our beautiful curated collection of Kanchivaram silk sarees, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.